Okay, so you want to send emails in bulk, but you need to put an unsubscribe link in it. In some countries, it's mandatory, for example. Well, it's really easy to do using Mailmetro. Let's do it together step by step. So I have a spreadsheet with a few emails in it. I'm going to open Mailmetro and select one of my templates to add an unsubscribe link in it. Okay, so opening my first template, and right here I'm going to say click here to unsubscribe. Then I'm going to select the text, all of it, and click on the link icon right here. The link should use a special variable which is called unsubscribe. I'll put the right text to put within the description of the video, but it's just double braces, unsubscribe, closing double braces. Okay, so now in my template, it's going to look like this. If I save it, I'm going back to the preview, you can see that people will be able to unsubscribe. I can confirm that by looking at the unsubscribe here, which says it's enabled. So now if I send my emails, well, there will be a new column right here, and the tracking report will update each of the recipients that has clicked on the unsubscribe, and the cell will be unsubscribed right behind. Hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more tips around Gmail and Mailmerge. If there's anything that I've missed, just let me know in the comment. See you soon in our next tutorial.